Hello Leute, willkommen bei German 101 with Shweta. Today's video is not based on any particular lesson but a quick overview about why you can choose Germany if you want to study or move to a foreign country. By making this video, I don't mean to influence anybody to leave their home country and move to Germany, but I am just sharing some information based on my personal experiences when I was in Berlin, my students' experiences who learned German language with me and later they moved to Germany, and also some information from internet. I am also leaving all the links of relevant information in the description box below. I am shooting this video at my workplace and not at the regular spot where I shoot most of my videos. I hope I am visible to you all. The first point I want to highlight is about the education. Germany has got a lot of public universities. Some of these universities don't have tuition fee at all, or some of them have some tuition fee which is generally administration fee or fee for any extra subject that you may add up in the existing curriculum. Now, because there is no tuition fee or comparatively less tuition fee, it doesn't mean that the quality of education is getting compromised. It is their government's decision, and overall Germany is known to offer one of the best education systems in the world. If you are in Germany on a student's visa, then you can also work there part-time while you are studying for a specific number of hours, and you can support yourself financially. It also helps in boosting your CV. After you complete your studies, you can extend your visa, that is your residence permit, for up to 18 months to look for a job there. During this time, knowledge of German language of at least B1 level plays a key role in getting a job sooner. Most of my students who learned German language with me before going to Germany to do their master's courses have got suitable jobs, and they are well settled there and doing really well for themselves. Next point I want to highlight is about the new visa regulation for skilled workers that came in early 2020. As per this new visa regulation, a non-European skilled worker can get a job in Germany even if that job position could be filled by a German citizen. Previously, it was not the case. Previously, the employers had to prove that the particular job position cannot be filled by any German citizen or any other European, and that's why they are hiring a foreigner. But now this rule has changed. Now, some of you may want to know what exactly is a skilled worker. A skilled worker is somebody who has completed professional training or higher education degree. Germany is one of the biggest industrial hubs in the world. There are opportunities in IT sector, automobile sector, healthcare, finance sector, just to name a few, and it further increases chances of getting a suitable job of your qualifications. Let's move on to the next point, that is visa. If you are in Germany on a student's visa, then you will first complete your studies and then you may want to extend your residence permit to look for a suitable job. But what if you don't want to study in Germany and directly look for a job? If you are a skilled worker, then you can apply for a 6 months visa, that is residence permit, to look for a job in Germany. Of course, for that you have to apply for the visa at the German consulate in your home country, and once you get the visa, you can go to Germany and look for a suitable job. During this time, you can also work part-time for up to 10 hours a week. Isn't that great? You can support yourself financially as well as boost your CV. Again, knowledge of German language of at least B1 level plays a pivotal role here. Your CV will definitely catch attention of the prospective employers. Moving on to the next point, that is family life. Tax-paying expats are entitled to get Kindergeld if they have children. This is an allowance that you receive from the government to raise your child, and this amount is somewhere between 204 euros to 235 euros per child per month, and you receive this amount till the time your child is 18 years old. In some situations, this period can also be increased. In addition, there are also some visa categories in which your spouses can legally work in Germany. Next point is quality of life. Germany is relatively less polluted, there is good work-life balance and very good healthcare system. Most importantly, access to other European countries. You get to see so many beautiful places, know the culture, eat food, and so much fun. Moving on to the most important point. Do you need to have knowledge of German language for all this? Absolutely. Knowledge of at least A2 to B1 level is must. If you have knowledge of B2 to C1 level, then it's wonderful. Some of you who want to study in Germany may apply for the courses in English, or some of you may get transferred to Germany from your home country while you are working in the same company. In that case, you may not require German when you are studying or when you are working in the office, but you will require it once you are out of the university and out of the office. Right from buying groceries to sign rental contracts or get any internet connection or understand any important news, you will require knowledge of German language. Also, not every German can speak fluent English, so it's important to know the basics of German language. It will also help you in making German friends, understand their culture and increase your networking apart from your own community. Germans also appreciate when you speak with them in their own language. And to learn German, I am there. All you have to do is to like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to receive the latest videos. Easy, isn't it? As it is, I am making my videos from A1 to A2 level and then higher levels. If you want to learn the language one-to-one with me or in a group, then you can contact me at learngermanwithshweta@gmail.com. I am leaving the email ID in the description box below. I hope this video is informative to you all. Dankeschön, bis bald!